Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Pound Dollar, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of gold USD in front of us. And before we proceed, I would like to tell you something. There is a fake Telegram channel, my name. You can see that there are around 1040 subscribers in this channel by the name of Trader Next Door and using my photo. This is not my channel, and this guy is asking for money. So please mark it as a spam. I'll be pasting down the link on the description box. Please go there and please uh, mark it as spam, scam, whatever. Okay, please save others from getting scammed. Okay, because see, I have done my job, because there are many accounts that are asking for money. So keep in mind, if you really want to contact me, then my website is the only source. Do not go for any contact number on the comment section. Do not go for any telegram channels. Okay, I do not have any telegram channel by this name, and I do not write down comments asking for money. So please keep in mind, and I'll be giving you this link on the description box. Please mark this spam and save others. So this is the 4 star of gold USD, and if you have watched my video that I uploaded on Saturday about the movement of the body language of DXY, and hopefully you have understood the movement very well, because this movement on DXY was not very much unexpected. We were hoping about this moment, but yes, we were hoping. uh, Personally, I was hoping that market will come down to this level and will go up a little, but right now we can see that there is a good movement on dollar and there's a good correction on US dollar going on. I have clearly shown on the daily chart on Saturday that there is a good possibility for some correction on dollar, but keep in mind, in the short term, US dollar DXY is an uptrend. Okay, so there will be some correction on the dollar. Okay, there may be some upside today, but in the short term, there is a possibility that US dollar DXY will be testing this level. Okay, or it may bounce from here also. So let's look at the chart of DXY now. Sorry, gold USD now. Right now, gold trading at 1798. This is the current market price. So as you can see, that market is struggling to cross the level of 1799 to 1800 level. Okay, if you have watched my video on Saturday, then I clearly mentioned that we have a minor resistance here and we have another resistance at 1810 level. Okay, 1800 was first resistance and 1810 was the second resistance for gold. But surprisingly, DXY was falling, but gold is not going up. One, two, three, four candles, 16 hours. For 16 hours, gold is standing at 1797 to 1800 level, but still unable to go up. So it means that that the 1800 level is not that minor. Are you getting my point? Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, so 1800 level is quite strong here and not allowing the market to go up when DXY is falling. So listen to me carefully now. So obviously after some time, DXY will retrace. Okay, DXY will go up. Okay, DXY will try to recover, isn't it? So at that recovery, okay, when there will be some recovery in DXY, there is a possibility of gold testing the level of 1790 again or 1780 again, because when dollar was falling, it was unable to go up. The sellers present in this level are not allowing gold to go up, but when dollar will recover, obviously the sellers will push the price harder and there will be some selling, or there should be some selling on gold. So honestly speaking, okay, right now I think that there is a high chance of gold testing the level of 1790 again. And if it breaks this level of 1790, then it will test the level of 1782 to 1780. Okay, so if dollar tries to recover, you can take a sell position. Yes, I think there is a possibility of a sell position here in this level only, and you will see a target of 1795, 94 easily, and you can also see the target of 1790 as well. And if it breaks the level of 1790, then this level is also possible for the market. Okay, but today is a new day. Keep in mind that though market is struggling here, okay, though market is struggling here, okay, there may be some upside again. Why? Because watch, market form the green candle, one, two, three, green candle, one, two, three. So this may be a pattern for gold. Okay, so after three candles or after one more candle, we may see a big green candle here as well. So these are the two possibilities right now. So do not short the market right now. Look at the chart of DXY and observe the market carefully. If dollar tries to recover, then only take a sell position on gold because this is your hard-earned money. Protect it. Do not take any impulsive decisions. Market is standing at resistance right now, but market is following a pattern here. Okay, so wait for the confirmation. When dollar will go up, if you see selling on gold, then only take a sell position on the chart of gold. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, and in case if you see a buying on gold, if you see gold has formed, no, the gold is following the pattern, big green candle pattern. If it makes a forms a green candle here, then definitely you can take a buy position because already we are seeing correction on the dollar. And if gold forms a big candle, go for it. But keep in mind, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. And do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. It's your hard-earned money, so protect it. Bye bye.